So let's look at one more example of multiple angles. So for example number 3, we have 3 tangent of x over 2 plus 3 is equal to 0. So what this gives me is 3 tangent of x over 2 plus 3 is equal to 0. We're going to subtract 3 from both sides to get rid of that positive 3. Then we're going to divide both sides by 3, giving me tangent of x over 2 is equal to 1. Now again, since this is only going to be from 0 to pi, because tangent only has that as its period, I'm only going to have one single solution here that's actually going to give me negative 1. So I get x over 2 is equal to 3 pi over 4. And of course, what that is going to give me then is our basic solution is going to be this multiplied. And we're also going to have our generalized solution, which is going to be multiplied by 2 as well, which is why we have that 2n pi here, when we should have just pi because of tangent. So when you start seeing these strange things, don't freak out too much. Go back through your math and make sure that they make sense. Because again, we know that cosine and sine should have a kind of an addition of 2n pi, and that tangent should just have n pi, but in this case, because we're multiplying both sides by 2 to get rid of this 2 on the bottom, we're going to have what looks like a solution to cosine and sine. So again, don't be too weirded out. Make sure that it makes sense. Plug this in. Plug in 4 for n and double check your answer and make sure that it actually gives you 0 like it's supposed to. So this is the last example I wanted to do, but I did want to show you this just to show you that not only can cosine and sine with multiple angles come out with a generalized solution that looks like tangent, but tangent can also have a generalized solution that comes out looking like cosine and sine.